Okay, the moment of truth. That's not good. We're going to the beach house and replace a ceiling fan. Here we go. We're already back home. We forgot a bunch of things. Here we go into Lowe's. This must be where we pick up. Thank you very much. I just want to get Bike Week, Myrtle Beach, Long Bay, Little Haven. Here we are at the beach house. Just wait for it, you're gonna love it. And here we are at the beach house. A buddy of ours Airbnbs it. So if you're ever interested in Myrtle Beach, come on down. It's heavenly. The weather's always like this. Maybe. It's hard to beat, but we're here to work, or I'm here to work and hang a fan. So we'll get into that right now. Into the office. This here's the fan that is broken, so we will attempt to fix this. And now we need a ladder. Love the old fan. I'm gonna loosen these 3 screws, 2 screws, and completely remove this screw. Okay, that one screw's out. This one and this one are loosened. It should twist and come down. And it's a wire there. So we'll undo those right now. Little patch here. And we're gonna see if the wire's hot. That's hot. So now we know we have juice or electric. I use a lot of my own words and language in building. And now we'll go to the breaker box. So, again, the ladder, turn the lower. Just gonna open this box first. Utility room. I'll give it a try. Nope, that wasn't here. This is gonna take a little while, so I'll be back after this. This here is where I had to go old school and touch the hot wire on the ground wire in order to trip the breaker. All right, the breaker's off, and we can remove the rest of the fan. This here is the old remote transmitter. We need this off so we can sneak all the wires out. That's that. So we should be free. Hot, neutral, the ground of the house. That comes out, so we should be good to go. onto these screws. Oh no, the impact ran out of battery. Hopefully we have another one called charged up. Oh brother, rookie mistake right there. Yep, thanks. Thank you, Anson. Success. Animation. The wire. Oh, big deal. The remote there, top of the piece. Oh, that's awesome. Bell housing. Again, I have to ask the boss which way to put the blades. Okay, the verdict's in. The verdict? The verdict is in. And the gold one. After I got the third blade on, I realized I had all three on the wrong way. I had the gold side up and the gold side was supposed to be down. So I removed them, flipped them over, and I put all 5 on the right way. Oh yeah, that's nice. Do all the grounds. We have the house ground, the hanger ground, and the ground of the light or the fan, all clumped in with each other. Little screwdriver. Get all those make work. Let's turn the breaker back on. Hell, looks good. That's not good. Well, that didn't go how I hoped. I wasn't able to get it working. There's an electrical issue a little above my knowledge. So I'm gonna have to bring in our electrician, and I'm sure he'll know what to do and how to fix it right away. And well, I gave it a shot. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it.
It's literally just your head up.
How is it now?
You're up and your head's only in the bottom half.
My head's in the middle?
Not your head right.
Oops. How about this? Oops. Now I bet it's all messed up because of all this.